Okay, so what we're going to do is for our Skittle project, we're going to insert a table that shows the number of Skittles that we had. So first we need to insert a new slide. We've already got our title slide made. Go over to new slide and just click, and there you go. So I'm going to title mine Skittle table. I don't know if I can spell. Okay, and then I'm going to click on a table like this. Now it's going to ask you, let me move this down, it's going to ask you how many columns you want. We want 2 columns, one for the number of Skittles and one for the colors. And we need 6 rows because we have 5 colors, and we also need a title. So we've got 6 and 2. We're going to click OK, and it inserts it. Now when you're dragging to make this longer, you don't want it to look like this with the 4 arrows, or you're going to just drag it down. I want to make it longer, so what I'm going to try to do is get this little where the arrow is pointing up and down, and it makes it a little bit longer. Now I'm going to put in my titles. Right here I'm going to put color. I can't really. Okay, of Skittles, and here I'm going to put number of Skittles. Okay, so we have red, and I had 4 red. Purple, or I'm sorry, blue. No, purple. I was right the first time. Purple, and I had 2 purple. I had yellow. I had 5 yellow. Green. I had 1 green, 1 lonely green. And orange. I had 3. All right, so I've got in my table, and that's my data for this table. Now later on, we're going to use this in science, and we're going to make a graph. But right now, what I'm going to do is take each of my colors and actually make them the colors. So go over to home because we're going to edit. And I'm going to make red, red. Is that red? Yeah, I like that red. Purple, go down to this arrow right here. I'm going to make it purple. You just choose the color you like. Yellow, I'm going to make yellow a little bit off yellow because I think yellow won't show up, so I'm going to make it this mustardy yellow. Green, we can make green. And orange, let's make it orange. Let's put orange. All right, and now we have our table. You can edit your table if you want. There's effects. There's some cool ones. You could bevel them. It makes it look really cool. So there's all kinds of different effects, so you can play with that and go ahead and make your table.